How to withdraw money from Fidelity. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw money from Fidelity investment. So in order to withdraw money from Fidelity, all you have to do is watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now go ahead and log in into your account. For that, type in www.fidelity.co.uk and click on the login button at the top right of your page and then log in into your account. Then on the home page, you'll see account summary page. From the top menu of options on account summary, click from the top, select manage investment. Here you need to select whether you want to move or withdraw cash. Under the cash heading, this is going to open up a move or withdraw cash panel on your screen. Click on choose an account. Then to withdraw cash, you have to click on the bank account. Now you need to click on please select a bank account, where you will have two options, either to choose a verified bank account that you already have recorded and click the next button. If you're withdrawing to an account that you already have hold on record, the withdrawal should take no more than just a few working days. And if you click on add a new account and input the request details such as the short code, account number and all that, it's going to take quite a long process. And review the instructions and click on the confirm button if you wish to proceed, or click on the edit menu button, and you'll see that you've successfully confirmed your withdrawal. And that's how you can withdraw money from Fidelity. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.